Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 best ways to make money online with Grok 3 AI. So let's start from number 5, faceless YouTube channel. Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Use Grok AI to generate high-quality video scripts for your faceless channel. Pair it with AI voiceovers like a level lab and stock footage to create engaging videos on topics like business, finance, or self-improvement. Once your channel gets monetized, you can start earning through ads, sponsorship, and affiliate marketing. Number 4, AI powered content creation. If you love writing but don't have time to create content from scratch, Grok AI can help you to use it to generate blog posts, social media content, ad copy, and even email newsletters. Businesses and influencers are always looking for high quality content, and you can sell AI generated articles on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or directly to clients. Number 3, AI assisted freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money online, and with Grok AI, you can do it faster. Whether you are offering writing, marketing, coding, or research services, AI can help you complete tasks more efficiently. You can use it to generate reports, write proposals, create social media posts, or even automate client communication. By combining AI with your skill, you can take on more clients and increase your earnings. Number 2, AI generated ebooks. Publishing ebooks is one of the most profitable ways to make passive income, and Grok AI can speed up the process. You can use it to generate book ideas, write chapters, and even format content for platforms like Amazon, Kindle. Whether it's self help, business, or how to guides, AI can help you create high quality books without spending months writing. Once published, you can earn passive income every time someone buys your book. Number 1, AI assisted research. Research can be time consuming, but with Grok AI, you can automate the process. Whether you are collecting data, summarizing articles, or generating reports, AI can help you find and organize information quickly. Businesses, students, and content creators are always looking for well researched material, and you can sell research services online. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how to channel.